Hey guys, so for this video, let's look at Pythagorean theorem and how we can use it. So first things first, Pythagorean theorem is only for right angle triangles, which means triangles like this, where it's clear that they have a 90-degree angle in them. If it's not a triangle with a 90-degree angle, the Pythagorean theorem does not work. So there's basically a formula that goes a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, the a and b are the two sides that are not the hypotenuse, and it doesn't matter which one is which. The c always has to be the hypotenuse, and the way we can find which side is the hypotenuse is that we look at where the 90-degree angle is, and if we drew a line straight across, which side will it hit? It's normally the diagonal side, and it looks like a slant, and it's always the longest side. And that right there will always be our c in the equation. So in this case, it would be 5, and in the second question, it would be y. So let's find how we can find x and y in each question. So first things first, let's start with this question right here. So we know that a and b doesn't matter which order it is, so we can just do 3 squared plus x squared equals to 5 squared, right? Now we can just fill out the numbers, so it would be 9 plus x squared equals to 25. And now we bring the 9 to the other side, so it's 25 minus 9, which makes x squared equal to 16. And now we take the square root of 16, which makes x equal to 4. And that right there is just algebra. And if you guys are confused on this part right here, I have another video explaining how we can solve this equation using algebra. Now let's find y. So this is very similar, but basically the exact same thing. So now we have a and b, but we're missing c. So let's do 6 squared plus 8 squared equals to y squared, right? Now 36 plus 64 equals to y squared. So this gives us 100 equals to y squared. Now we take the square root of 100, which equals to y. So that makes y equal to 10. And just like that, using Pythagorean theorem, we found x and y in both questions.